Let's talk about how to clean your ViewBoard. It's obviously getting touched a lot, so you're gonna get fingerprints. There's a couple ways to do this. First thing, you're gonna need a microfiber cloth. The microfiber cloth, you don't even need to get it wet or anything. You can just rub it on the board like that, and it's gonna clean off most of those fingerprints. However, you probably wanna disinfect it or get a deep clean every once in a while, maybe once a week. So just get a cleaner. This can really be any kind of cleaner, screen cleaner. You just don't want it to have ammonia in it. Also, make sure that you're not using like Clorox wipes or anything. We don't want to spray the board directly because that might mess up some of the touch technology in the edges. So we're going to spray our cloth directly, and then we're able to wipe the board that way. Now, something else to keep in mind from time to time, you do want to wipe down or clean the edges of the board. That's because the touch technology actually is in the edges. There's some light sensors in there. So if that gets a lot of dust buildup, it can maybe interfere with your touch experience. So normal dry microfiber cloth for daily cleaning, do some sort of spray for that weekly deep cleaning, and then from time to time, make sure you're cleaning the edges of the board.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to pdteamus@viewsonic.com.